Recently, we witnessed the magnificent festival of Jagannath Rath Yatra in so many countries and cities. So here's the story of how the first temple of Jagannath was built. Once, there was a king named Indradyumna Maharaj, and he wanted to do darshan of the deities of Neelamadhav, found in Purushottam Kshetra or present-day Jagannath Puri. He sent his man Vidyadhara to find the deities. When Vidyadhara found them and came back, and when Indradyumna Maharaj went to do darshan, the deities had disappeared. That time Narad Muni came over there. He instructed Indradyumna Maharaj to go and pray to Bhuvaneshwar Mahadev. Bhuvaneshwar Mahadev told him to go to construct a temple for Narsinghadev and perform 1000 yajnas. After performing 1000 yajnas, Lord Vishnu came in the dream of Indradyumna Maharaj and gave him a smile. The next day morning, there was an effulgent piece of wood seen near the sea. It had Shankha Chakra Gada Padma signs. Indradyumna Maharaj swam and got that piece of wood to the land. And this day is called as Snan Yatra. At that time, an old man comes and he says that he can carve the piece of wood for Indradyumna Maharaj. He was none other than Vishwakarma, the architect of heaven. And Narad Muni instructed him how to carve the wood. And after 15 days, he created the deities of Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra. Indradyumna Maharaj created a beautiful temple, and the first aarti was done by Lord Brahma himself. If you like this story, comment down Jai Jagannath.